い、ゆうちゃんお願いします。
One day, there was an egg living in a leaf. The next morning, there was a sun, and the egg hatched. There was a baby caterpillar inside. He went to find food. He ate one apple. He was still hungry. He ate 3 peppers, plums, again,
Pears.
pears. He ate 3 plums. He ate strawberries. He ate 5 oranges. 1 cupcake, 1 ice cream. What's that again?
Pickles.
Pickles. 1 slice of cheese. And what's that?
Salami.
Salami and lollipop and chordy. What's that again?
Cherry pie.
Cherry pie, sausage, cupcake, 1 slice of watermelon, and he got the mistake. One day, he got a nice warm leaf. He's not a baby caterpillar anymore. He's a big flat caterpillar. He made a little home named the cocoon. And he's not a beautiful butterfly anymore. He's not a caterpillar anymore. He's a beautiful butterfly.